C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, Node.js. There are many programming languages. Are you surprised or confused to choose which programming language you need to learn in 2025? Don't worry, stay till the end. During next few minutes, I am going to tell about which programming language to choose as per your needs. Additionally, I have a surprise gift for you. Make sure to enjoy at the end. Let's dive into this. So, before diving into each and every programming language, let's understand few studies. So, let's see what Stack Overflow says. As per this data, it shows nearly 67.7% people like JavaScript. So it means JavaScript is widely popular as per the Stack Overflow, followed by HTML, CSS, SQL, then Python, Java, then Bash, C#, PHP, TypeScript, and for the PO, we can see Python dominates here, followed by C++, C, Java, C#, JavaScript, and so on. Okay, let's talk about Python first. Python is still king of all programming languages. It was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 at CWI, Netherlands. If you're looking to pursue your career in artificial intelligence, machine learning, web development, data science, automation, then Python is a good choice. Python is easy to learn. It has countless libraries and perfect for both beginners and experts. Now JavaScript. We have already seen JavaScript, Stack Overflow. JavaScript is the most popular programming language. If you are looking to pursue your career in web development, JavaScript is one of the best choice. JavaScript was developed by Brendan H. in 1995 at Netscape Communications. It powers interactive websites and dynamic applications. In 2025, frameworks like React, Angular, and Node.js keep it essential for developers worldwide. Okay, now after JavaScript, we'll look at into TypeScript. TypeScript was developed by Microsoft in the year 2012. It adds structure and safety, making large applications easier to manage. Nowadays, many companies prefer to use TypeScript for professional projects. Now comes Java, a veteran programming language, but still dominates. Java was created by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. It runs enterprise software, banking systems, Android apps. It is stable, powerful, backed by a decade of trust. Now my favorite programming language, C program. It's one of the oldest programming language, but believe me, it is being still used. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in 1972. C gives you control over system resources and memory. It is widely used in embedded systems, operating systems, and high-performance critical applications. Learning C is a great way to understand how computers really work. Also, it's a backbone for many programming languages. Example, Python. Now comes C++. It's known for speed and performance. It's created by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Labs in 1983. It powers game engines, high-performance applications, and embedded systems. If you want to build complex systems, C++ is your great choice. Now Cook programming, Golang. This was developed by Robert Grismer, Robert Pike, and Ken Thompson at Google in 2009. If you are looking to pursue your career in cloud computing or microservices and DevOps, then Go programming language is the best. Golang is the best choice. With the platforms like Kubernetes and Docker, Go is a rising star in backend engineering. Now let's talk about Rust. It was created by Graydon H. at Mozilla Research in 2010. It offers memory safety and high performance without having common bugs of older languages. Companies like Microsoft and Amazon are already adopting Rust. Now let's talk about Kotlin. Okay, if you are looking to develop any Android applications, any applications for your Android phone, then Kotlin is the best choice. It was created by JetBrains and released in 2011. Google officially endorsed Kotlin for Android development in 2017. It is one of the beginner-friendly programming language. Now, let's talk about Mojo. It's one of the newbie in 2025. Imagine if you use the simplicity of Python programming language and speed of C. How do you feel? So Mojo does the job. It's perfect for AI and machine learning. Mojo is already generating excitement in the developer world. So now, you have seen different programming language. To answer your basic question, which programming language is best, it depends upon your niche. If you're looking to pursue your career in Android, go for Kotlin. If you are looking to develop iOS applications, go for Swift. If you are looking to build your career in artificial intelligence, then go for Python programming language. Are you interested to build gaming applications? Then go for C++. Want to develop any device driver? Go for C. So it purely depends upon what you want. Your purpose will define which programming language has to use in 2025. Now let's enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. Your future starts now. If you like this video, kindly do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video.